Have you ever thought that there's days that you should be in the market and there's days that you shouldn't be in the market? There's periods of time where it makes sense to trade and there's periods of time where it just makes sense to stay out. So right now I'm on a boat cruising around the island of Kauai in Hawaii, and we're going to one of the most beautiful stretches of coastland on the island. Some people say the world, I don't know, I'll tell you later when we get there. But today is one of the days that it makes sense to be out on the water. I mean, look how calm the ocean is. It's amazing deep blue color, and sky's clear, a little bit of wind, but basically low swell, and it's just a beautiful day to be out in the ocean. But it's not always like this. I mean, like I've said in a couple of videos now, the markets get volatile, the markets get rough, and there's going to be periods of time where your systems perform, where your trading rules perform, and there's going to be periods of time when they don't. And you need to know for your trading strategy when you should be going into the market and when you shouldn't. Today for me is a perfect day for boating. I don't really like boating that much. I don't get seasick, but I just don't like the up and downs, and I don't really like the thought of the boat capsizing and drowning, if I'm completely honest with you. But today is perfect for me, so I'm happy to be out here on the ocean cruising around. And similarly, for different trading strategies, there's different market conditions that the trading strategies work. There's different sets of conditions in which you should be following those systems versus those systems should be turned off. Now, one of the things you need to do in your back testing is identify if it's better for that strategy for you to turn it on and off in different sets of conditions, or better to leave the strategy on full time no matter what's going on in the market. And it's very easy to back test. And one of the things that I do in the Trader Success system is talk about how you can implement filters that turn systems on or off depending on what the market is doing. Now, for some systems that's a great idea, it makes a lot of difference. For other systems, it's better to just ignore the market and follow the rules because the system performs better and makes a lot more money. But the trick is you don't know unless you backtest those ideas properly. So if you're not a member yet of the Trader Success system, click the link below and join so that you can figure out, so you can learn how to backtest your trading systems. Because the Trader Success system is going to give you the knowledge to succeed as a trader in the long run, no matter what the market is doing. It's going to give you the systems to succeed, because in the Trader Success system I include a whole range of different systems for different markets and different market conditions, so that you've got a set of trading rules that's profitable that you can use to make money no matter what is happening in the market, no matter where you are in the world. And you're also going to get the code that you need to succeed. So you get the knowledge, you get the systems, and you get the code so that you can backtest your systems and my systems fully and build that confidence. So if you're not yet a member of the Trader Success system, click the link below and join up now, because it's going to transform the way you trade by giving you the knowledge, the systems, and the code to fully build confidence and profitability in the stock market, no matter where in the world you are, no matter what markets you want to trade, and no matter what style of trader you are. So click the link below and find out more about the Trader Success system today. My name is Adrian Reed, this is Enlightened Stock Trading. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.